Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how you can get started with trading cryptocurrency if you're a complete beginner. So I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can get started, and I'm going to be doing this in different videos. So the first part would be is how you're going to swap your fiat currency into cryptocurrency before you can actually start trading it. So if you think that it's interesting, definitely hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get updated when I post more videos. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. There are two ways that you can do this, and the first method would be if you use the exchange payment gateway itself and you go to your exchange and you just use one of the payment methods and you purchase crypto through them. The only problem with this is you can't withdraw any of your cryptocurrencies. So in the second method, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually take your crypto and you can convert that back into fiat and then withdraw it to your bank. So since I'm using Luno, I'm going to show the example right here, and if you're in one of those countries you can follow along. So the thing that makes Luno unique is when you use limit orders, you don't actually pay for fees. So I'm going to be showing you that as well, but after you've created your account, you can just go to your wallet. And then you'll see that this is going to be your local fiat currency. So I have ZAR because I'm in South Africa. So now I would need to connect my bank account first. In order for you to deposit money in your Luno, you would need to click on your local currency, and then you'll see there's two options: withdraw and deposit. So since I don't have anything in here at the moment, we're going to click on deposit. And now you can see there's two options. The first one would be an instant EFT with PayU, and the second one would be a bank transfer, and this could also be immediate if you just do immediate payment with the correct reference number to their bank account. So it would take around 15 minutes for that immediate payment to show, but all you need to do is click on bank transfer, and then you're going to select the amount you want to transfer. So let's say you want to do, let's say $100, which is around 1,500 in my currency. All you would do is click next, and it is going to give you the bank details on where you'd make a normal bank transfer. So after doing this, you just need to wait a while, and then you will see it's going to be back here in your local currency. So after you've done your deposit, you will see in your local currency you would now have the amount that you deposited, but this is not cryptocurrency yet. So now you need to decide on which pair you actually want to buy. So I'm just going to go back to the exchange, and all you need to do is click on home. Then you will see exchange here on the right, just click that. And now on the top left, you can choose which currency pair you want to purchase. So I recommend doing XRP because we're going to be sending this to a trading exchange, and by using XRP you're literally paying like almost zero for the fee to send. I think it's like 0.25 XRP, and as you can see it's currently less than $1. So you're basically paying a few cents to do that transaction. But first we need to do a buy order, and I'm going to show you how you can buy without paying any fee. So we're going to select limit, and then we want to choose the price just 1 cent below current price because it needs to get filled. So I'm just going to say 6.37, and I want to select all, and then you just need to make sure to select post only. So the post only would means it's going to wait for price to fall and it won't enter in market. So just make sure that you don't pay that fee. And sometimes it might happen that price is busy spiking, so you might need to cancel your order a few times, or you can just wait it out and then just open a new order with your price again just below that last price. It's been filled. You can see there's no open positions anymore. So if I click on wallet, so you just select total crypto, and then you'll see under XRP there's going to be the amount. So I'm just going to show you now how you can use this XRP and sell it back to your fiat so you can actually withdraw that. All you need to do is let's go to our home page, and then we want to go to the exchange. So you're just going to click there, and it's going to take you to the exchange. And then you need to select the XRP to ZAR pair. As you can see right here, it's selected. And we're going to do a limit order and a limit sell so we don't pay a fee. So all you need to do is you're going to do a sell, you're going to do a limit, and the price is going to be just above the last price of XRP. So I'm going to do 6.37 and I'm going to select all, and I want to make sure that I select post only. That means it will wait for price to reach that target. So I've now placed my order, and here at the bottom we'll just wait for that to get filled, and if that gets filled then I don't pay any fee because this is going to be a limit order. And right there you can see that it actually filled my position, and if I go back to my wallet you can now see that all the money that I have is now in my local currency. So now all I need to do is I can just select it, I can click on withdraw, and now you can select your bank account, and you can click if you want to do max, and if you want an immediate payment, this should be in bank hours, you can just select there and you're going to pay a bit more. Otherwise you don't have to select this, but then it could take 1 to 3 business days to get that to your bank account. So now you have your XRP and you're ready to send that over to your trading exchange. So the platform that I suggest you use is Bybit. I've been using it probably for around 3 years now, and if you go into the description of this video you will see there's going to be a link. So that is my referral link, and if you use that you're also helping the channel a lot, and you can get a bonus. I believe it's up to $600, but sometimes they have even bigger bonuses like $2,000 or $6,000 depending on your deposit size. So if you also use that link, I will give you access to my trading bot for free, and you will find all of that in the Discord server, and I will leave a link to everything in the description below. So I'm going to show you how you can send that XRP into a Bybit deposit wallet. So let me go over to my Bybit account. After you've created your account, hopefully with the link in the description, all you need to do is go to our assets here on top and then click on your assets overview. And then you can just come down here to your derivatives and you can click on deposit. So the next thing you need to do is click on this coin and make sure you're sending it to the coin that you're actually holding, and that is for me going to be XRP. And like I've mentioned, the fees are very low on XRP, and now you just need to acknowledge that you are going to send it to this address with its tag. So you need to make double sure that you are sending it to this tag, because all the XRP wallet addresses would be the same. It's going to be the tag that is connected to your account. So I'm just gonna go back to my Luno, and I'm gonna copy the address and its tag from here, and then I'm going to send that. So let me show you how you can do that as well. So right here we're back on our Luno and we are under the wallets tab, and you can just go here and click on send. So for that you just need to select Ripple. Ripple is the same as XRP, and right here you need to send it to the address. So I'm just going to go back to my Bybit and I'm going to copy that address. You can just click here under copy, and then I'm going to paste it in right here, and now I need to go and get the tag. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to paste my tag in, and now I'm going to send next. So now you can obviously choose the amount you want to send. So I have around 123 I can send, and now you can just add a note. It's not necessary to do that, and you can just click on next. And now you can see that the fee is going to be like 24 cents for me. If you divide that by 15 you would get it in the US dollar amount. So I'm just going to click confirm, and then I'm going to send it over to my Bybit. You will see it's going to appear here in your derivatives and under XRP. So now obviously you don't want to trade XRP, we're going to swap this back into USDT. So you just need to click on exchange, and you're going to select you want to swap from XRP to USDT, and then I'm going to select all. We're just going to refresh for the latest price, and we're going to click convert. As you can see, it's been exchanged successfully, and if I go back to my assets, everything is now back into USDT where I can go and trade. For my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how Bybit works and all of the things you need to know in order to start leverage trading on it. Before I end this video, I just want to mention that Bybit is having one of the biggest trading competitions yet, and there's a prize pool up to 8 million USDT. So if you want to join my team, just join the Discord server. I will leave a link to that down in the description below. I'm also giving away 10 free spots to my Discord server. As you can see, this is the private section of it. And if you want to be part of this competition, all you need to do is comment something on this video, and you need to have an account with the link in the description of this video, the Bybit link. So once you've done that, just join the Discord server, the free section, and if you've won, I will contact you there. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.